Hello and bonjour. I'm Lisa Pivetta, the Director of Client and Employee Experience. This is quite the multifaceted job and involves collaboration with operations teams, sales, HR, and many others. So I start every day with a handwritten to-do list. Next, I get an idea of what our clients and potential candidates are seeing online today by checking our LinkedIn page. And then I check Altasciences, our employee recognition portal, to stay on top of new internal feedback that has come in since yesterday. It's important that we're always listening to employee feedback. It's vital to improving our internal processes. And client feedback, through things like surveys, plays a major role in tailoring our solutions and enhancing experience. Today, I'm working on our quarterly client experience report, which we share with the executive team and other leaders so that they can ensure we exceed client expectations. Time for a quick break to be the Director of Family Experience. I truly enjoy taking time each day to quickly check in with my parents.
Ok, ti parlo più tardi. Ciao, ti voglio bene. Ciao.
And now, my team and I are meeting with senior management, and unfortunately, this is where I have to leave you. We're discussing a big celebration coming up in 2025, and the details are a surprise. Another successful day of moving in unison. Talk soon.